Hello guys, time check, it's okay, it's already 12:33 in the midnight, and still we are having this book. Since on Monday we will have our recitation for the criminal law. Yes, criminal law 1. We're just finished already reading the cases for my class tomorrow morning, which is the judicial ethics, and I just finished the cases that I read a while ago, and also the other definitions that I need to memorize and familiarize to. So I'm already done with my first part. So that's first part pa lang. And tomorrow I hope that I will be having the time to review my judicial ethics for the for Judge Akibagos recitation tomorrow. But I am a little bit what's little this one? I guess a little bit trembled with our incoming recitation for the criminal law, because it covers how many chapters? Chapter 4 to Article 4 of the Revised Penal Code to Article 15, which consists of, I think, 679 pages. 679 pages that we should have to read and finish the readings, since that's the content of that's the basis and the content of our recitation for Monday. So right now it's already 12:45. I am still confusing if I will continue my readings in criminal law. But since I guess there's some problems, because I felt sleepy tonight, so siguro mas maganda na matulog na muna. Kasi parang sayang kasi ng oras, kasi bukas I will be attending to one of friends' weddings. Probably tomorrow I don't have much time also to study for this criminal law. Siguro kaya ngayon I will try my best to open it and try to study para bukas at least kahit paano mabawasan ng kaunti. Actually I'm already at justifying circumstances, which is Article 11, and I have to read Article 12 to 15, which I think it's more than 400 pages, almost more or less 400 pages rather. So see, start na naman tayo. Medyo nag-iba na yung ano natin guys, kasi gabi na nga dito, tapos ginamit ko yung dim na ilaw, pero actually na okay naman, kakabasa pa naman ako. Medyo ano lang kaya yung kailangan ko. Okay, thank you guys.